left side is the harder one here. Okay, yeah, keep going, keep going.
Oops. Oops. Oh God, rookie mistake. Even locked, not enough traction.
The rear lock? Yeah.
Yeah, everything is locked, but not enough traction. You can't grab onto that wall.
Yeah.
Try different, but maybe more to the right will be better. I think if you go more to the right.
Yeah, it's easier.
Yeah. Oh, now he's stuck.
The first time. I know, because he's got holes there, right? Oh, it's so deep, yeah. You go right a little bit, it should make it up. There you go. Yeah, right there.
Yeah, he did it.